Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. So here's an update from the last video. As you can see, we got soil in it. Yay! Alright, so we went and got the soil today and finished it up once it quit raining some. And so I now have my eggplants in it. I've got 3 of the Black Beauty right there. And then I got these out front of one of our local Piggly Wiggly grocery stores that somebody just had some shelves out that they've started these seeds at home. And they were selling some cabbage. And it was a pretty decent price. And some of the stuff had been damaged from the people that were watering it and stuff like that. So I thought I'm going to go ahead for that price and grab them and get them and see what I can do with them, because I wanted some cabbage that was already up and already started. These are Grand Vantage, it says, so we're going to see how well these does. Then we also got some clearance flowers, so we're going to add just a little bit of color into this bed. And I've also got these 2 tomato plants that we put in here. These are big boy. They're not real big yet, nothing like the big ones that we got down here on the end. But they will grow. And this is my yellow bell pepper that I was telling you about. And I've got one more bell pepper. It's a purple one. But I didn't want to put it in the same bed as the yellow one. So I've got this one in here. But we're going to see how this does. I believe it's going to do really good. I know the cabbage right now kind of looking a little womp-sided. They were all twisted up in the I think it was 4-packs, either 3-pack or 4-pack things that I got them in. And they were all twisted up around each other, so some of the leaves got broke and stuff like that. And at one time or another, they already had something trying to eat on them. But now we've got it where there's nothing on them, there's no bugs, no problem with them. But we did have a few broke leaves, untwisted them from the package. But they were in the little bitty teeny tiny package where you get like this much soil and about that wide. So they were in way too little of a package for the size plants they already were. So they need to be transplanted. And as y'all can see, this tomato right here that I showed y'all in the last videos, they are doing awesome. Still doing good. Done made it through. Last night, y'all, we had some massive major wind and rain come in, but thankfully we had those staked, we had those situated, and we sustained no damage to anything in the garden. So thankfully everything's good on that. There's some pretty orange flowers for you to look at. So y'all stick with us. I'm going to grow these out and see how these does. I'll let you know, give you an update as they grow. Everything else in the garden right now is doing absolutely wonderful. We're getting a ton of slow rain and cloudy day, and then it'll come out for just a little while, and we'll get a little bit of sunshine, and get really hot and really humid, but enough to kind of dry up stuff just a little bit so that we're not coming down with any kind of molds or funguses or anything like that from stuff being too wet. But at the same time, everything is getting a chance to really get rooted in and moist without getting too scorched from the sunlight or anything like that. So everything is really thriving, just to be honest. So I highly recommend. I don't care if you have 2 pots on your back porch or if you have 5 acres. Plant you something, get you something growing, because the grocery prices are ridiculous. And some stuff we've even had in the stores that were out of stock that we couldn't even find. So definitely grow you a garden, put this stuff up, have it for you over the winter. I think we're going to need it with the grocery prices like they are, y'all. The gas prices, the grocery prices, this stuff just out of hand and ridiculous. So definitely try to grow whatever you can. But I'll keep you updated and let you know how this stuff is doing throughout the season. So y'all stay tuned for the next video and see what the next summertime project is. I'll see you later. Stay safe. God bless you. And keep prepping.